From the isolated shores of the Galápagos Islands comes a creature that's been dubbed ugly by some, but fascinating by all. Meet the marine iguana, an animal that looks like it walked straight out of a prehistoric sci-fi movie. These creatures may not win beauty contests, but their bizarre traits make them one of the coolest reptiles on the planet. Stick around as we dive into 10 jaw-dropping facts about the marine iguana. Fact 1. They're the only marine lizard. Marine iguanas are the only lizards in the world that live and feed in the ocean. Found exclusively in the Galápagos Islands, they have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. They eat algae growing on underwater rocks, making them unique herbivores of the sea. Fact 2. Their look is all about survival, that rugged, spiky appearance. It's not just for show. Their leathery skin and spikes help them blend into the rocky shorelines, keeping them safe from predators. And that flattened nose? It's perfectly shaped for scraping algae off rocks. Fact 3. Salt sneezing champions. Ever seen a lizard sneeze? Marine iguanas do it all the time. After a dip in the ocean, they expel salt from their bodies by sneezing through special glands near their nostrils. Fact 4. They shrink. When times get tough, during food shortages, marine iguanas can shrink their body length by up to 20%. Scientists believe this helps them conserve energy when algae is scarce. When food returns, they grow back to their original size. Talk about flexibility. Fact 5. Their ugly reputation is undeserved. Yes, Charles Darwin himself called them hideous. But their so-called ugliness is a badge of honor. They've evolved to survive in a hostile world where beauty isn't a priority. Fact 6. Cold-blooded sunbathers. Marine iguanas spend hours basking on rocks after their cold underwater adventures. Since they're cold-blooded, they need the sun to heat up their bodies and stay active. Think of it as nature's version of a solar panel. Fact 7. Expert swimmers. Don't let their chunky bodies fool you. Marine iguanas are excellent swimmers. They use their long tails to propel themselves gracefully through the water. Move over, dolphins, there's a new swimmer in town. Fact 8. Evolution in isolation. Marine iguanas evolved on the Galápagos Islands, adapting over millions of years to survive in this volcanic archipelago. Their isolation has made them one of nature's most fascinating evolutionary experiments. Here it's survival of the weirdest, and they're thriving. Fact 9. Surprisingly social. Despite their rugged looks, marine iguanas are surprisingly social. They huddle together to share body heat and protect each other from predators. It's a reptilian cuddle party. Fact 10. Threatened by humans and climate change. Unfortunately, marine iguanas face threats from invasive species, pollution, and climate change. Rising sea temperatures impact the algae they rely on for food. Protecting their fragile habitat is crucial to ensuring their survival. So, ugly or not, marine iguanas are true survivors and a vital part of their ecosystem. Let's celebrate their uniqueness and work to protect these incredible creatures. And don't forget to hit that like button if you've learned something new.